firstly, I'm gonna say Hagen. Hagen is an amazing tool to create a video without sitting in front of your camera or without recording a video. So it will be very easy to use at the same time to generate a video. So how you can do this is by going straight away to hagen.com, and after going into that website, you want to create your own avatar by uploading your 5-minute talking clip, and after uploading it, it will recognize your face gestures, hand gestures, and all of your smile and all of your gestures, and it will recognize your face and it will upload it into that Hagen. So after that, it will ask a validation to check whether it's you or not. So after validation, you can start generating your videos without recording a video in any situations. So I've been using for several days. Absolutely, you just want to pay for a pro version. So if you want to use it for free, you can generate up to 3 videos in one account. So absolutely, it's very worthy to pay. So I will suggest you to pay some money to get that pro version. So another thing about Hagen is you can also use other templates of others' avatars, and you can use the AI generated person's avatars to create your own video and post it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or YouTube video. So absolutely, they blew my mind recently. So that's why I'm just saying as a top one. So Hagen is an amazing AI tool that made my work really productive and effective, and it reduced my time. So absolutely, it's gonna be useful for you. And let's go to the next one. So the second one is Midjourney. Midjourney is a kind of AI tool where you can create and generate a realistic AI image using some prompt. So it is very useful to make thumbnails and make posts for Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. So in different cases, its uses are varying. So it will be very useful for all cases. So that's what I'm suggesting as a number 2. So the third one is ChatGPT. Absolutely, we don't need any special explanation for this AI bot. So it's an absolute best AI tool that I'm using right now from a little past days. So it's an amazing AI tool that will be very helpful to any purpose. So you can use ChatGPT to generate code, to generate images, to generate thumbnails, to generate a script for YouTube. So you can do all the things in ChatGPT. It's very great. So you can access with voice, you can access with prompt. There are several features. So here is a quick demo. You can see here, I'm just gonna ask for a HTML basic code to create a portfolio. So you can see I'm just asking, give me a sample code to build a HTML file for my portfolio. So I'm just gonna give it. So you can see it's just replying me. So how fast it is generating your essential code. So this is how I use for my daily basis. So this is a literal cool feature from ChatGPT to generate a nice code. So that sounds crazy, right? As a fourth one, I would say Google Gemini. Google Gemini is same as OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT. So it's very equal to ChatGPT, but in some cases it is becoming better, but in some cases it's just going down because of its features, because it's really filled up with Google data. So it will give the Google search output to Gemini. So it's being so equal. So we don't want much explanation for this Google Gemini too. So here is Google Gemini. So I'm just gonna say hi to this bot. So here I'm saying hi and it's just saying back to me. So I'm just gonna ask for a tips to promote my personal brand through internet. So let me ask that. Personal brand through internet. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna send it. Okay, here it is. How fast it is generating the result. It looks very faster than ChatGPT, really. So that's why I really love Google Gemini than a bit of ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna asking a sample code to create a HTML file for my portfolio. So the same question that I asked to ChatGPT previously. So let me ask it. Very simple. So let's send it. So you can see here is it. Oh my god, this is so fast and it is just getting a simple output. So this is so crazy. So I'm just gonna say looks like super fast and catch you soon or catch you later, like that. Okay, let me put it. Catch you later. Great. So there is already a video that I've created about Google Gemini versus ChatGPT. So you can check it out, link in the description. So let's go to the next one. So on the fifth one, I'm saying Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is better than ChatGPT. At the same time, it's better than Google Gemini. Why I'm saying like that is it is giving very organized output. So I asked same questions to ChatGPT and Google Gemini at the same time to the Perplexity AI. So the Perplexity AI really gave me a very nice organized output. An absolutely nice feature that blew my mind is it is just after giving an output, under the output, it is asking for a related content. So you can click it out and get an output. So it is very easy to get an related content. So we can be very get in touch with it. So that will be very crazy. So absolutely, these are the 5 AI tools that I'm currently using daily to make my work very productive and effective. So I hope you guys this will help you for your work too. And thank you for watching till the end.